ahead and I'm using the beta version. You won't be using the beta version, most likely. So yours will just say install code command and path. Then you can do the trick I just showed you, okay? It's a very good trick. Reason being that I like to use it is mainly because it actually allows you to go ahead and open up your workspace perfectly, so that way you got all the folders on your left and you got your VS Code set up. It's a very good shortcut when you're coding quite a lot, making new things and that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, we're absolutely crushing it. Nearly at 400 likes already. Jay, this is not focus mode right now. Okay, awesome stuff. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set things up. So first thing I want you to do is pay attention to the pages. Now inside of Next.js, all of our pages are managed inside of our pages folder. So if I have a page called search.tsx, that will resemble /search on my website. If I have a page called index.tsx, naturally that's the home page of that route. So in this case, /index.tsx would just be my home page. Okay, so that's where all the magic is gonna happen. So opening this up, to kickstart our app off, I'm gonna close my other app that I had running, and I'm gonna show you how things are gonna work, okay? So let's go ahead and do Command J, and I want you to go ahead and type in, and that's first thing you need to check actually, is you need to go ahead and see if you've got a yarn lock or a package lock. It doesn't matter, you can switch, it's fine. But in this case, I have a yarn lock, so I'm gonna be doing yarn run dev. You can do npm, it's fine. But if you do npm, make sure you use one and you delete the other lock file. Welcome to the Papa Fam Special Tier Engineering with Kellyan. Thank you for your support, dude. I appreciate you, brother. And now I can see you highlighted. If anyone else wants to join, the join button is down below. Okay, so this is done. Amazing stuff. Now what I'm going to do is put my setup to nicely as I want it, so that way we can code in a cool way. I'm going to go ahead and throw this over to that side. And what I like to do, guys, is just optimize things a little bit, so that way it's not too messy. I'm going to throw this over there right now, and I'm going to go ahead and do localhost 3000, just like so. Now you should be able to see this, right? Amazing stuff. Okay, retention is absolutely nuts today. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. This is going to be one of the best builds because it's the most value to all of you viewers right now, because you're gonna have a brand new shiny portfolio at the end of this, right? So first thing I want you to do is go ahead and remove a bunch of stuff right now. Probably what you want to do is keep the head and probably say something like Sunny's portfolio. Okay, whatever you want really. You can call it whatever you want, it's up to you. And you can even change the icon as such. I'm gonna just remove this right now. And we're not gonna be using the classes like so. We're actually gonna be using our own stuff. So I'm gonna get rid of everything here, right? And we should have a clean slate. And all I wanna do is H1 saying, hey Papa Fam, let's just say, let's build an awesome portfolio and hit enter. Now you should see this. Let's build an awesome portfolio. Good stuff, okay? And by default, I don't know why that's black, but anyway. So what we're gonna now do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. And the first step is we need to go ahead and set up Tailwind CSS. Okay, so Tailwind CSS is basically a way that we can go ahead and shorthand our steps of writing CSS. So it allows us to write really cool responsive websites, and it's just an overall amazing library. It allows us to have all these utility classes that we write inline in our code, and it is much more readable, much more easy to work with, and trust me, it's just damn powerful, okay? So Tailwind CSS, I'm gonna show you guys right now.